I've got an old wheeled excavator's final drive. Its stub portion has broken as well as the yoke. I'm going to run through the repair for the stub portion with you. Firstly, I marked off the pieces I wanted to cut off so I could weld the plate in. I used a grinder to cut out the pieces. As you can see from the color of the sparks, the stub is made from cast steel. The pieces have been removed. I now need to cut the plate to the correct width. I grinded large chamfers, then welded the plate on. When I weld on cast steel, I use ER100 SG welding wire. I then took the stub to the milling machine to skim it for a flat surface. I never took a video of the welding, but I can assure you, I filled the gap up from the bottom to the top so there's solid welding all the way through. Now that I got a level surface, I'm going to bore out the hole. I made a jig with a center hole and 4 holes with the same PCD as the cap that gets bolted on the stub. I used the jig to find center, then I started boring. Just some extra information. Because of the age of the machine, no parts can be sourced. Anyways, once the boring was complete, I used the jig to help me align for the other 2 holes I still had to drill and tap threads in. Back to the extra information. This kind of a job, you can't give a guarantee. But personally, I am confident it is gonna hold. And I believe the new plate and welding is stronger than the original cast steel. And besides that, the customer doesn't have much of a choice. Because parts can't be sourced, it's either this repair or the machine can go to the scrap. The stub is now complete, but this cap is worn. So I quickly sorted out that problem. The cap fits in with a nice snug fit and all the bolts align perfectly. I then grinded this welding down so the job looks a bit neater. And again, because no parts could be sourced, I had to repair this yoke. Thanks for watching, cheers.